What's up, Queen Divas? So today we're going to be making some fancy candy apple bows. That's right, the candy apple bows to go on your candy apple sticks to make your candy apples look very cute. However, you can use these bows on any of your treats that you desire. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. And make sure you hit that subscribe and bell button to get all of the notifications and keep updated with me on the weekends. Okay, so you need your scissors, 1.5 inch of ribbon, you need a glue gun, and your candy apple sticks. You also need a lighter to burn the ends on your ribbon so they don't unravel. So I am just going to cut about 18 inches of ribbon. You can get about 6 to 7 bows out of one pack of ribbon, so you should be fine. And as far as the tails, you should be able to get 6. Without the tails, you should be able to get 7 bows. So let me speed up. I'm cutting my ribbon. So you let some extra ribbon hang and you go around your 2 fingers. You come back in between your 2 fingers. You go up around your index finger, and then you're going to go right back in between those 2 fingers, come down, and then you're going to go in the middle to push that ribbon through the middle of the 2 fingers. So just look close. I may have went too fast on this one, but don't worry. I will do this about 5 more times. So I am just pushing this ribbon through the 2 fingers to pull out on the other end to make my bow. So then I come back around, and that little flap, you just tuck this ribbon under the flap, and then you're going to pull up. You're going to pull up on the ribbon, and then you're going to pull down on the ribbon to secure it. Now this is what your bow should be looking like. Now take the bow off your fingers to cut the tails, and then after you cut the tails, you're going to burn the ends to secure the ribbon so your bow doesn't unravel. I am just fluffing out my bow. Now, if you need to look at this video and pause and start over and pause and start over until you get how to make these bows, that's totally fine. Don't get frustrated. I guarantee you, about the time you get finished looking at this video, you should be able to make treat bows with no problem. So what I'm doing now is cutting my tails off. And then I am going to burn the ends so my ribbon doesn't unravel. So I am just fluffing out my bow. And sometimes I have to use my apple stick or treat stick to get down in the bow so it can get fluffy. So I'm just sticking it down in that little hole right there, and I am just trying to fluff out the bow. Get your hot glue gun and just put a dab of glue on the back of the ribbon, and then attach it to your treat stick or your candy apple stick. So get your next ribbon and you just repeat the same process. So I am just going to sit here and let you guys watch. Okay, we're done. So look at your beautiful bows. You should be proud of yourself. Have a great Sunday. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. And make sure you tell your family and friends about my channel. And you can also share my channel as well. Bye-bye.